Boozer and Lex. Boozer had himself a morning bird this morning. There's some look at feathers, intestines. Lex, out of there. Hey! I don't know if that is a blue jay. We got some crazy blue jays around here. Boozer! Boozy! Pretty kitty! Where's Lex? Where's your ball? Kind of like Milo and Otis. Who got your ball? Where's your ball? Got your ball? Right? Right? He's not messing with her. Yeah. Lex! Ball! Lex!
Maybe he's pissed off at the cat for going on our buddy.
Where's the ball? You got the ball? Oh shit. Oh, it's a...
What?
It was a mockingbird. Where's your ball? She smelled something.
There's definitely something there. We didn't have.
Get the ball.
That was a backside. Little buttery. Get your ball, Lex.
Get your ball.
No, your ball, not me.
Lex, where's your ball? Get your ball.